Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send a reminder to participants from your contract. To do this, you're going to be in your document section and just go ahead and click into the contract that you want to send a reminder for. Now click Message Participants, and you can choose to send this message to just unsigned participants to send a reminder to get it signed, to all signatories if there's any updates, all counterparties, or all participants. Once you've selected, you can also, of course, add or unselect specific members as well. Then just add a subject and a message. You can either write this from scratch or set up message templates, which I'll show you in another video as well. When the counterparties or the participants get this message, it'll also link to the contract so that they can get right into signing or into the information of the contract. You can, of course, also always message them by chatting directly in the contract as well and tagging them, but this is another way to be able to send it across all users. Thanks so much for watching.